Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I wanted to share a little video of my install that I completed yesterday for this Avs Shield Pro on my around 1500. Reason why I wanted to show this video is because on YouTube there's not too many 1500s showing this install, so maybe this can help out individuals who ever think or want to do a Shield Pro install. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to just show the functionalities of it and show how it works and show how I tapped into each wire, or what wires I tapped into to help this this Shield Pro to actually work. Just give her a lock, see how that works. Give her a lock, see how that works. Alright. Left blinker first. See that? No display light outside. Move on to right blinker. Blinker. Put on the hazards. So hazards look. I'll show you guys how I tapped in to each wire. Turn those hazards off. Pop the hood. Alright, so this is my wiring. You can see it. The wiring will come from here. From the Avs Lightshield Pro Shield on down. I still have to do a little cover up here, so just put two mounts here. So then I ran it through the hood, strapped it down to the hood hinge, grounded it here. Then I tapped in, as you can see down there. Brown is your power, so I tapped into the very bottom orange and yellow, or it's a pinkish yellow wire for your power. I did for your blinker. I tapped into the very top, 3 over from the left. Is your green and white wire, which will be your blinkers, your left blinker indicator. So after that, I routed it over to my right side. See, I put these on the fan mount, hold that wire in there. I come over here, as you can see, I tapped into the wire that's 3 over from the left. It looks like it's a white and brownish color. This to be a light and orange color. Let's put a light on that. Yeah, white and brownish. Yep, it's white and brownish, or white and oranges. I tapped into that. That's your right blinker indicator. But that is pretty simple. Everything works, like you guys seen. It's pretty simple install, not too hard. That's just my short video on how I did that. Once again, this is for the right blinker. Right blinker is whitish, orangish. So a solid white with an orange stripe. Tap in there with your right indicator wire. And over here you tap into your power, which will be a pinkish, yellowish at the very bottom, first spot from the very left. You'll tap into that for your power. Then for your left indicator, you'll tap into the white, full solid white wire with a green stripe. That is your third from the left at the very top. Alright guys, I completed my ABS setup. It's pretty simple, not too hard. It took me a day, only because I was waiting on parts from Amazon, but it's not too bad of an install. This is pretty easy. You just line it up on a hood. It's adhesive, sticks pretty well. Didn't take too long to install that. Do a little clean on your hood first, and then stick it on, and it's good to go. All right, guys. Thank you.